Hello dear friends. This is generally forbidden to show. You will stop buying store-bought bread if you care about what you eat every day. Bread can be different: warm, real, healthy. Cottage cheese and oatmeal bagels aren't empty calories, but food that gives you strength. Cottage cheese is a source of protein. It keeps you full for a long time and supports muscle and energy. Oatmeal is a slow-digesting carbohydrate, gently filling, without sacrificing energy. No yeast, no excess sugar, no heavy feeling. These bagels are great in the morning, after a workout, or when you're in the mood for some self-care. This is bread that will make your body thank you. To make working with the dough easier, grease your hands with oil. Seeds are a source of fiber, healthy fats and minerals. They support digestion and provide a long-lasting feeling of fullness. Place in a preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2,530 minutes, until golden brown. Spread cheese on a bagel, add lots of fresh lettuce and healthy vegetables. This will make the bagel even healthier and more nutritious. If you enjoy my content, please like, subscribe, and be sure to share this video. Take care of your health and choose healthy foods. It will give you energy and a good mood.